friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are planning for the week of the 18th through the 24th, and I plan on using the new Halloween kit from CoffeePlannerMom, as well as some script stickers from @CraftingEllie. I'll put links to both of their shops in the description below. But let's go ahead and get started because I'm really excited for this week for a couple different reasons. One, it's fall break week. So we have 3 days of school. And then we have, and then we get Thursday, Friday off, which is nice. It is also my last night of parent-teacher conferences this week. That'll be on Tuesday. And I have been experimenting with a new planning style. Not really a new decorative planning style. That almost covers it all. Let's put a box there. I did pull out too, I have some of last year's Halloween things, and I also have her monochromatic, pieces of monochromatic as well. But I think, do we want to do the purple? The purple might be fun. Yeah, I like that. I've been experimenting with, it's not new as in like this brand new, never before seen style of planning. I'll see if this Monday will work. Or if it's too big. Might be too big. Oh no, that should be fine. Turn these around. So there is, y'all know I'm a 7 Habits person. I talk about it a lot. Well, the company Franklin Covey has their own planner, and they have their own style of functional planning. Let's be specific that way. They have their own style of functional planning. And I've been watching a video series that's a training on how to do it, which might sound silly, but I will link it in the description. It's amazing. If you are a person who struggles with functional planning, ooh, this is going to take up a lot of space, but that's okay. We're going to make it work. Because it's pretty. Could I move Tuesday? Also, hashtag, somebody got their own bottle of Undo finally. What? I know. Do I want to use it on this? Can I pull it up myself? So I bought, man, this is going to be another babbly one, but I just feel like the last few videos I haven't been as chatty. It's been kind of busy around here. So we'll pull that one off. See about Tuesday. Okay, let's put Wednesday down first. The last few videos I haven't been as chatty, so we're gonna steal a little bit from Tuesday's spot. Oh no, you are gonna go down straight. I demand it. Why? Okay, you guys go here. So if you struggle with functional planning, or you find that you have things that, oh, I can't believe I forgot this or that or whatever, I highly suggest watching this planner style. That's still not quite right. Let's move Wednesday a little bit. Wednesday, how dare you? And I probably won't show it all off in this video because it's really my during the week planning, but I might show you in like an after the pen. Okay, that's that. Oh, come on, Tuesday. That'll work. Yes, okay, I can handle that. I just like how big and bouncy it is. Just throwing it out there. Thursday's gonna have to scoot over as well a little bit. Ooh, maybe it can't. Okay, so we're gonna put Thursday here. Friday, Saturday. Saturday's another long one. But I think we can make it work. We can make it work. A lot of times I'll use these stickers in my journal. I have a little journal that I use, so I'll use them there, but I don't know, I just felt like using them for this. All right, so with that Franklin Covey planner, they have like almost like a daily side and a goal side, and it's interesting, and I'm trying to see how I can make that work in a excuse me, in a happy planner. And I think it'll be like goal side and then things here. But what's nice is they have a function, like it's almost like old school bullet journaling, where like there's a key and how you use that key tells you like what appointments. I feel like I'm doing a horrible job explaining it, so I think showing it will end up being better. So sorry. Got the deco sheet, I got these guys. I do want to save some of this for actual Halloween. So let's see what we got, and let's double check what we've got going on. Parent-teacher conference night. Oh, and I actually brought out some washi, people. I know. Watch her. She's acting crazy. Oh, idea. Thought. Before I stick a sticker down, let's put the washi underneath the days. This is Happy Planner washi. I got it with a teacher kit a long time ago. So I don't think you can actually find this one. Can I find the start of it though? Yep, found it. Found it. All right, you all know I'm not typically a washi girl, so not always the best at it. So let's get down parent-teacher conference, and like I said, I think I'm going to use the candy corn. Full box up here. And then purple there. What next? Let's do the cauldrons. Then the orange. Like that for my Tuesday and Thursday. Can I get you back up? I was a little aggressive putting it down. So my husband and I are planning on having date night that first day of fall break because there's Blackhawks game and we're both Blackhawks fans. And so we're just going to go to a restaurant that we know we'll be showing the game and just chill and have a grand old time. So that's that, and that's that. I think I want to use this, since we've got the potions going for this week. I have the cauldron deco. Do we have other cauldron deco? We do. We have one more. I have too much stickerage going on my fingers. Since it's fall break, we can take up a little more space here. like that. That would be like my weekend banner there. I do like the pumpkin. And we have quite a few of them, so I think I'm going to use one here too. And then I want to use some checklists at the bottom. And then after that, we can see what else we want to do. Like I said, I'm kind of leaving some space, some extra space, just because I'm trying this new planner style out that I did not do a great job of explaining, because I think I have to show it. So I'm hoping that in one of these videos, I might actually do like a practice page so that you guys can see what my plan is. What my plan is. I'm such a dork. Do I have any left over on the other one? No, just bullet points. Okay, so let's do purple here. I might not need all these checklists, but because it's fall break, I know I want to have time to like do some deep cleaning. I know, so exciting, right? Yay, fall break, let's clean. But I like having the time to do it. And just take care of things that I don't normally get to take care of. So having some spots to write checklist down. So this week, I should say this. Normally I do a chores list because I zone clean. This week I'm not going to do that because I think I'm just going to go and deep clean a lot of different places because I'll have the time. I'm hoping to do like one room a day. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But we'll see. I might go crazy and do it all in one day. Sounds like something I would do. So let's do here's my concern. Will I be able, I mean, you can see the black there. We're doing the pumpkins. Done. Because we got a pumpkin there. And I'm saving the houses for next week. And put our meal plan down here. And my meal planning this week is not going to be as intense since I only have 3 days of school. But I've really enjoyed having those there. Let's see. Got that. Did that. Trying to see if there's anything else. Did I get everything that was on there? Yes. Okay. I feel like we should add like it needs something else over here. Maybe it doesn't. Maybe it doesn't. No, I think we're going to leave it. So over here, what I want to do is some bullet points. And I have leftovers from last year, so I'm going to use those up first. I'm going to move this page out of the way for a moment. And what I'm going to write at the top priorities. Oh, we could just use an important sticker. Wait, priority. It's such a tiny sticker for such a big box. We're putting it. We're doing it. Oh, add a candy corn. I know it's an orange box with an orange candy corn. We'll survive. So one thing that this planner style does is, you know, you kind of list out the things that are the priorities for the week, and then you input them into your week, or you make a mark that says like, oh no, this got forwarded to next week, and you put the date by it. And there'll be different things, like I started putting down when I was getting emails from other teachers about things. And I know that's more my teacher planner, so we'll get to it there too. If it was something I didn't need to take care of right away, I put it in that list section of my teacher planner, and in parentheses, because this is part of that style, you put the date you received the email or the date you received the information, and then where the information is located. So for example, if I receive an email on the 18th that doesn't need to be taken care of until like the next week, I would put in my to-do list in my teacher planner the teacher's name, the date, and that it's found in the email. Like I would do that if I was doing it in here, let's say it was from last week on the 15th, then, and I needed to take care of it on the 18th, I would put in parentheses here, teacher's name, 10:15, and then email, so I know to look back for that particular thing. So I can put these priorities here too, like this is a space for that too if I'm not ready to write it in this side. It just lets me know I got to get that done. I think that's it for the spread. Man, I was chatty. Blah, 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 blah. That's what happens when I go a couple weeks not having much to say, and then all of a sudden I have all the things to say. So if you like this video, gotta put my coffee down, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you all in the next one.